Here it is, the Mission One Pro unboxing. It just came in today. We're gonna take a look at it. Let's see what's in the box. There it is with one hand. Please hold. All right, here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Quick guides, instructions, manual. I'm assuming that's a manual. USB-C to USB-C adapter. We have the Mission One Pro, all wrapped up in all its glory. And we have, don't want to break it before we even get it out of its packaging. We have a battery, the regular three, what do you call them, 3-prong mounts, rubber lens hood, and curved GoPro mount. It's the other part of the mount. All right, so that's all we have. Oh, and the stickers to let everybody know what you got in your car. On the little quick steps guide here, number 1, install the GoPro Quick Wrap. Already got that because I've had prior GoPros before. 2, install the battery and the SD card. So the SD card, it only takes a class A2. And if you want any more information on class A2, just let me know in the comments. Be sure when you're buying a SD card for yours that right here it says A2V30, and then over here it's got the U indicator, U3, and it's I. So all these little numbers and letters and sequences, they all have a meaning. If you'd like to know more about each of those meanings, I can make a separate video on that. Just let me know in the comments. I picked this one up for no particular reason. It's a Gigastone, up to 100 megabytes per second read speed. So they do make faster than that. But that was just the one they had that was A2 compliant in stock at the closest store that I shop at. Step 3, you gotta charge it. Step 4, follow the instructions on your camera screen. Pretty simple. Just like that. Put the lens hood on this way, not that way. And then install wherever you want to take video. All right, I got me a tripod set up so I can use both hands. So let's see what this thing looks like. We got some covers here, so the front facing or rear facing LED screen. I still don't know what's what as far as that goes. And we got the lens here on the back. We have, how do you get this off? There we go. Here. It's just that easy, folks. Come on! All right, we got it. So pull this guy off here. And then this is what we got. Mode button on the left side. It says do not open because that's just a clip for, I think, a microphone. To hold your microphone. And then on the bottom side we got the new version of the same old mounts. So it also has a 1/4-inch threaded hole. Okay, I still have a lot of studying and stuff to read and info to figure out, but I'm going to be taking some videos with this over the next couple of days. So if you'd like to see the videos, let me know. And one day I might even be able to open this guy. There we go. All right. But if you have any questions about it, or if you want to see more information about the GoPro Mission One Pro, I have it, and I'd be happy to show you, make another video, answer any questions. Let me know. Oh, one thing I almost forgot to mention is if you pre-ordered, you get this nice little grip. So let's do an unboxing of that here while we're at it. So this is the point and shoot grip. Hey, it's got a nice little tag on it. Wish the other box had that. Who opens a box from the bottom? That's crazy. All right. What's in the box? We got the manual. Sure, I'll read that cover to cover. We have the grip. And this is all that's in it. And I do not know how to work this yet. Press. Press. There we go. And I'm assuming this just slides right in. It's actually pretty intuitive. There we go. Now we got our nice point and shoot grip. It's got some nice grip to it here. It does have a little lanyard here, so if you drop it, you can strap it to your wrist. It's got a flash mount on the top. Looks like it has everything you need. Yeah, let me know if there's any questions about this as well.